Barbara, when I plant tomatoes, they look really good, just like these, but only for a couple weeks, and boom, they keel right over.
Oh, Danny, you know what you've got is tomato cutworms. So what you need to do when you plant them is just get some tin foil and cut a strip about 2 inches wide, wrap it around the stem, and make sure you go about 1 inch into the soil. And your plants should grow beautifully then.
Okay, what about fertilizer? I mean, I know there's all kinds of different fertilizer. What's the kind I need to buy to take care of my tomatoes?
You know, all the fertilizers have 3 numbers. And the first number, which is nitrogen, makes everything grow incredibly leafy, huge leaves. But it's the second 2 numbers which encourage the flowers and the roots. So that's what you want. You want those last 2 numbers to be much, much higher than the first number. And if you can just remember that, that will help you with all of your tomato plants.
Okay, what about watering? Do they like a lot of water, a little water, no water? What's best for that?
Well, I mean, like, you know, like anything, they need water, but for tomatoes especially, it's critical to give them consistent water, because what'll happen is if they get very thirsty and then you give them a sudden flood of water, you'll see the fruit actually swells and then it splits, and that's really disappointing. So just try and give them consistent water and give them a little bit of fertilizer, and you'll have tomatoes all summer long, Danny.